viewing your work from different angles. Up until now, we've left the screen in isometric mode. Up the top right of the screen here, we can actually change the view to see the work from different angles. So you can click those arrows up and down, left and right. You can also use the right mouse button. By holding that down, you can rotate the work around and see it from different angles. And finally, you can zoom in and out by using the scroll wheel on your mouse. At any time, if you get lost in the view and you don't know how to rotate the work to fit it all back on the screen, you can just click this corner here between the top, front and right views, and that will automatically bring the work back into the screen. You can also select the drop-down box here and select isometric, dimetric, or trimetric.